you all to Skyline College to our 18th annual Rock the School Bells Hip Hop Conference. Make some noise!
Rock the School Bells is more than a conference. It's a movement that bridges hip-hop culture and education, inspiring students to see college as a place where their voices, experiences, and identities belong. For nearly 20 years, the award-winning Rock the School Bells has created transformative spaces where young people engage in workshops honoring and preserving the elements of hip-hop, such as emceeing, b-boying, DJ turntablism, and aerosol art, while integrating topics such as mental health, leadership, entrepreneurship, social justice, and the arts, all rooted in the cultural language they understand, hip-hop. This isn't just an event. It's an entry point to higher education. It's where students from historically marginalized communities see themselves reflected in their mentors, hear their stories in the music, and discover that there are limitless possibilities. When our communities and our institution invest in our work, it allows us to provide workshops, performances, and mentorship opportunities that have inspired thousands of students to pursue college, launch creative projects, and give back to their communities. When you support Rock the School Bells, you're not only investing in an annual conference, you're investing in future leaders, artists, and the changemakers who will carry hip-hop's legacy of resilience and creativity into every space they enter. Together, we can continue to show students that their culture is powerful, their stories matter, and their future is limitless.
Could save the world.
Rock the School Bells, where hip-hop meets education.